So what is a trademark? Most of the people get confused with trademark, patent and copyright. It's a general confusion. If they have a new product, sometimes they call it, I want to file a trademark. Even if they have a trademark, they say that I want to patent my name. Okay, and there is a copyright which can be done for your logo, scripts, documents, videos, right? So I will give you how to understand what is essential for your company. So basically I will cover trademark. Okay, so what is a trademark? Trademarks are the name or the logo, taglines that are used for branding purpose. Okay, name, logo, taglines, holograms that are essential for your business. So these qualify under a trademark. So when you should file a trademark application? First, whenever you are starting a new company, before starting a new company, you should always conduct a search first for the availability of the name that you want to name your company, that you want to use for your company. If it is not available, then change the name. Right. So first step would be to check whether the name that you are thinking to give for your product or company is available. Second, check whether there are any possibilities of infringement later on. If you file a trademark application, there is one way that you will get a certificate or registration, but there may be possibility that someone can take a legal action against you. So both searches are very important. Getting a search to check availability of your mark, and second, whether you are infringing on some existing trademarks. Okay, if that is done, then file a trademark application and simultaneously register your product or start your company registration process immediately, because now you have a confidence that no one is going to challenge the name that you have used for the company. Okay, so what can be protected? Name, logo, taglines can be protected under trademark. So what is the best protection that your company can get? Name is the first thing that you should decide to protect. So most of the companies nowadays, what they do is they want a generic name. Generic names are very difficult to get protected because someone has already used it. So most of the companies nowadays, they don't guide you on how to choose a name. When there is a difficulty in getting protection for the name, they ask you to combine it with the logo. That becomes a device mark. Okay, when you combine it with the logo, obviously it will become a unique combination, and you have to use that unique combination as it is everywhere. Otherwise it will be difficult, or someone can challenge that name if you're only using the name. Okay, so device mark. So most of the consultants don't tell you when you approach them for trademarks, they give a clearance because they want business, and when it becomes difficult, they ask you to combine it with the logo, and then it becomes very difficult to separately use name and logo. So best protection for your company would be to get a protection for the name that you have used, word mark. If you are not able to get protection for the name, then combine it with the logo. But it is a worst strategy, I can say. It's the second strategy, not the prime strategy. Okay, and then you can start your business. And there is also prevalent problem in the market. There are also some fraudulent activities going in the market where they say that they will register a trademark in 500 rupees or 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, but they take your money and they just vanish. They don't support you. Or they will take 500 rupees plus government fees, and they will never update you when there is an examination and hearing. And that is where huge amount of money is required. And that is where your trademark application gets abandoned. There are so many cases. So many people are approaching us that they took away our money, they didn't file it, they just filed it but they never updated. Now my trademark application is abandoned. There are also cases where trademark is registered but they fail to give you an update to renew after 10 years. Okay, trademark is the only facet that can be renewed perpetually. It goes perpetual. 10, 10, 10, 10. It can go for 100 years, 200 years. But if you don't remember to update it, maybe in that period someone can start using it, and then you have to prove that you are using it continuously even if the trademark is expired, and it will be a legal battle where it will be expensive for you. So make sure that whenever you are starting a new company, trademark protection is the most important aspect of your business, because trademark is the face of your company. If you lose it, your entire investment on branding will be wasted, because you have to rebrand your company or a product again, which is a huge investment. Okay, recently you must have seen a case of 6E. IndiGo was using 6E for their airlines, and now Mahindra used that 6E for their electric vehicle. There is a battle going on. So you can watch that interesting case. It is going on now. So my friends, make sure that don't take it lightly, because trademark is the face of your business, and if at all it is not protected correctly, it will be difficult to sustain in the market. So if you need any help in registering a trademark application, conducting search infringement analysis, not only in India but globally, we can assist you. The details are given in the description. I hope you have understood this clearly. So keep inventing, keep investing on intellectual property, and keep earning tremendously. All the best.